Okay, your factory reset just finished, so it's going to go from that red KINGPIN screen over to here to the regular home menu. Let's go over the remote control real quick. A lot of you guys already understand the remote. We're just going to go over it. The most used part of the remote control is the center. Directional pad, up, down, left, right, and the OK button. This button right here to the left of the down button is called the cursor button. This one right here. If you push this button, what it does is it's going to bring up a mouse or an arrow in the middle of your screen. If you see in the middle of the screen, I'm moving up and down. That's my cursor. I push the cursor button again. I push up, it's gone. There's no cursor. Also up top are your shortcut buttons. You got a blue web button. I'm going to push that. That takes me straight to the internet. I'm going to hit a green apps button. That takes me straight to apps. Very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that web button. It's taking me to Google. I'm going to use the cursor button to get me down to the search bar inside Google. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to turn the cursor off and I'm going to type this in. File linked. A lot of you guys already have file link on your box. It's not there anymore because you did a factory reset. I'm stressing to you, if you haven't done a factory reset, you need to do it, because if you don't do it, you're going to have some things on your box that do not work. So now, after I typed in file link, I'm going to hit the cursor button. I'm going to actually go highlight the very first link for file link, and it's going to take me to the official file link website. Now we need to get this downloaded to the box. So I'm going to take my cursor, I'm going to scroll down to where it says download file link. When I highlight that box, it lights up green. I'm going to push OK. At the bottom of the screen, you see where it says starting download in gray? That's letting me know that the download started. If you don't see that, that means it hasn't started. So I'm going to do it again. I'm highlighting green. Watch the bottom of the screen. See where it says download started? That means file link is downloading. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my cursor, and I'm going to go look for file link, and I'm going to hit this green apps button to take me to my app section. And then there's a neat program there. The very first one is called App Installer. So we're going to click on App Installer. Click on local disk. It's going to scan my network, and look what it sees. It sees file link. I'm going to click file link. I'm going to click install. You've seen file link in my section a couple times. Is because I downloaded it a couple times. You will have it there just once. After it's installed, we're going to hit open. And what it's going to do is going to ask you for a code. We're going to scroll down to where it says enter code, and the code we're going to enter is 2973163. If you notice I didn't bring up a keyboard, I entered all my numbers right here on the pad. So we're going to verify 2973163. Then I'm going to go down to continue. And there's only one program in here. We're going to go down and we're going to highlight it. We're going to push OK. At the bottom of the screen it says download. Now there's a pop-up here. Free TV stick. Supercharged guide. They're trying to sell you something. We're going to hit dismissed. This program's already downloaded. You see the play sign over here, so we're going to hit OK. And then all we're going to do is we're going to push to the left. We're going to highlight this up here. Push OK. Install. Open. Now you have the downloader app on your box. And then you're always going to hit allow. You're always going to allow downloader to save things to your box. If we don't tell you to download something on here, do not download something. Right now, you see Maximus on here. Don't download Maximus unless you have a live subscription and we've instructed you to do it. Same thing with Ultimate Sports. If we haven't contacted you with a subscription, if we haven't told you what to do, don't download it. Because something may change from right now to the time that you download it. Now we also have Netflix, Hulu, Pluto, those types of programs. If you have subscriptions to them, you're more than welcome to download those. If you scroll down here on the left side, you'll see sections. The sections are tools, and then we've got these are like helpful tools like speed test, support link, and we'll have videos for these. Very important. what the one thing that we do want you to download right now is under Tools, the first one that says Help Video. Once you hit OK, I want you to download it. Once you hit Install. And all your help videos from here on out, we're going to hit Open, are going to be here. So I'm going to go to Help Videos. And as you can see, and these will be, by the time you run this, these videos are going to be in here. So right here is like the sections at the top says, right here, Setting Up. If you scroll over to the right, you see this one? It says Maximus, My TV, Internet, other stuff. So right now this is Setting Up. I can go here to Setting Up Part 1, click that, and it's going to play me a help video right here on how to get things set up. So I'm just hitting the return button. I'm getting out of this. Let's get that part done. Get your help video section downloaded. Get your downloader section downloaded. And let's get file link downloaded. Thanks.